I got 2 booster packs, Lorcana, 2nd edition. Alright guys, day 2. I got 2 booster packs, Lorcana, 2nd edition. The Synchronicity of 2. Let's see what we got. Owl, Hold Still, Fairy Godmother, What'd You Call Me, Gaston, Donnie, got the Caterpillar, pretty sweet, I like this card a lot. Last Stand, got a Minnie Mouse Surfer, digging that, Flynn Rider, Grand Duke. You got the Queen. Hollow. Pretty nice card. Alright. Pack number 2. What we got here? Definitely like some of these cards in the 2nd edition, but I really like the 1st edition best so far, but let's see, it's still early. Fairy Godmother. What'd You Call Me? Gaston, what? Come on. Rabbit, something different. Sneezy. Donnie again. Pain, Binding Contract, the Caterpillar, can't get mad, Madame Mim, Raya, super rare, and the Knock. Pretty nice hollow on this one. Alright, so let's go over the top pulls here. This Knock, this is a really pretty card. Just a common though. Just a peasant. Raya, super rare. Super cool. Madame Mim. The Queen. This one might be my favorite. I think this is my favorite one out of these 2 packs. Really colorful. Pretty foil. The Grand Duque. Last but not least, Flynn Rider. Alright, so that's it. Top pulls, day 2. I'm happy. Peace.